Recommend highlight features and reviews that people are talking of: solar light outdoor, flickering flame wall light fixture, 2-in-1, motion sensor post light porch light. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. Natural sunlight provides all energy. Automatically dusk to dawn operation after 6 to 8 hours direct sunlight exposure. Warm and inviting flickering LED flame mode sets by default, and will transfer into daylight mode for 30 seconds when motion detected. The solar panel charger built in 2500 mAh high-capacity lithium-ion battery. When fully charged, it can stay on up to approximate 10 hours. Long-lasting night work with zero power bill. Your perfect energy saver and outdoor illuminating solution to replace gas and electric lighting. 2 mounting options for various lawn garden DIY projects. Mount on exterior wall or bolt to flat surfaces like wooden posts, brick pillars, and deck rails. Transparent lamp top and fully enclosed design not only let in sunlight, also endow better ingress protection. Splash-proof water resistance makes it brace for wet weather like rain and snow. But cannot be partially or fully submerged. No electrical wiring or gas line needed for installation. Easy assembly instruction and screw kits include for convenient setup. Light up your homestead, enhance your exterior, porch, pathway, lawn garden, patio, front-back landscape yard, and more. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.